Hi everyone, this is Derek with Lyonic. In this video, we provide a tutorial of the Lyonic support site. If you've received a welcome email from the Lyonic support site, this means you're already registered and can log in with your username and password. If you have not received a welcome email, you'll first need to click the register link below the login to create an account. For a quick walkthrough of that registration process, check out our training page for the link entitled Support Site Registration Process. Now let's get started. Navigate to support.lyonic.com, then log in with your support site account. If you ever forget your password, you can click on the lost password link to reset it. Now let's go ahead and sign in. Since this is our first time logging in, there isn't much to show on the main page. So let's go straight to creating a new ticket, and then we'll come back to this page. To create a new ticket, click on the green New Ticket button. At the top, you'll see some notes about what to include in a ticket and the expected response times based on your priority. Now let's go through creating a ticket. The first thing we'll have a look at are the ticket categories. Choosing an appropriate category routes the ticket to the appropriate engineers at Lyonic to more quickly complete your request. Let's review some of the categories. First, under IT support, you'll see a variety of options. Choose the one that fits your issue best. If you're unsure, just choose what you think is best and one of our techs can change it later if needed. When you choose certain categories, a form may display at the bottom. If a form is presented, please fill out as much of the form as possible. Now, let's look at ticket priorities. As you can see, the priorities match the descriptions above. First, low priority. Response times are typically within 3 to 5 business days. Next, normal priority. Response times are typically 1 to 2 business days. High priority, typically within 1 hour. And for critical priority, response times are typically within 30 minutes. The other parts of the new ticket page are the subject. This is a required field. The ticket details. This is also a required field. Please try and provide as much information as possible when logging a ticket, including any error messages or screenshots of the issue. You can copy and paste pictures into this field. The Advanced button allows you to add coworkers to the ticket. Simply type in their name. This is helpful if multiple people are facing the same issue. Instead of a new ticket for each user, there can be a single ticket with all the affected users subscribed to the ticket. You can also attach a file by using the link in the bottom right corner, or by dragging the file onto the ticket details. Finally, one of the best and most important features is the screen capture button. This will allow you to take a screenshot or even a video so that you can show us the exact problem right in the ticket. To start, click Capture Screen. Now choose between recording a video or taking a screenshot. For video, if you have a microphone, you can allow access and then describe the issue that you're having as you record. If you don't want to use the microphone, just hit cancel. Next, you can choose to share the entire screen, a specific application window, or a specific Chrome tab. We recommend choosing entire screen. If you have more than one screen, you'll need to choose which one. The system I'm on has 3 monitors, so I can choose between each of them. Once you've selected the screen that you want to share, click on Share. Minimize the support site to get it out of your way, and then show us what issue you're facing. Once you've completed the video, come back to the support site and click Stop Recording. You'll then have the option to save or discard the recording. If we click Save, you can see the recording is now attached. Let's do that again, but instead of a video, we'll take a screenshot. Click Capture Screen, take a screenshot. Now if you only have one monitor, you'll need to use an application window or a Chrome tab. In my case, I want to take a screenshot of an error message I have in my Chrome window, so under Application, I'll select Chrome. When I click Share, the screenshot is taken and attached to the ticket. Using the Capture Screen function saves time by eliminating the need for a call with a technician, saving your organization time and money, and allows our techs to solve issues faster. Let's go ahead and create a new ticket. For the category, I'm going to select Request for a Quote, then New PC. Type in a subject and some details. But notice, we have a small form to fill out related to the category that we chose. Put in your details and then click Submit. And click Submit. When you log your ticket, you'll be given a ticket number, and you'll receive an email with your ticket details. If you're not receiving these emails, please be sure to check your junk folder and whitelist us. Now that the ticket is logged, it's up to you whether you continue to use the support site for further communication or simply reply to the email. Either way, your response will be visible in the ticket. If you're going to use email, be sure to leave the subject line and the to line as is, or your reply won't make it back to the ticket on our support site. Now, let's review some of the ticket fields for the ticket we just logged. Here's your ticket number, the ticket status, the priority, which can be changed if necessary, and other ticket details. To post a new reply to the ticket, click into the reply field. Then begin typing. You can copy and paste text and pictures into this field as well. You can also drag and drop files onto the reply field. Or to attach a file, click here. There can be multiple users or technicians subscribed to a single ticket. You'll see their names here next to your own. Or you can add a new subscriber by typing in their email address here. Keep in mind, anyone subscribed to a ticket will receive emails when there are new posts to the ticket by any other subscriber. Finally, let's have a look at our profile page. To access your profile page, click on your username in the upper right corner. Next, click on your name. From here, you can see a summary of your support site profile details. Click Edit to modify any of these details, including your password or your email address, or any other details. From the profile page, you can also set a dark theme if you prefer, a greeting, or a signature. If you'd rather not receive emails from our support site, you can turn this off. But keep in mind, you would need to keep the support site open in order to receive replies from us. Finally, if you'd like to enable two-factor authentication, click here. That's all for now, everyone. I hope you found this tutorial useful. For other walkthroughs on Lyonic products, please visit our training links. Thanks again, everyone. Bye for now.